Extender. It is Wednesday, 2/24/21. Welcome. Hope everybody had a good rest and ready to trade today. I believe we had our reversal. We're going to check things out. Most of the charts that I have on my watch list right now, they all look the same. So we'll run through some real quick. We have some, even Bitcoin. Everything looks the same. Gold is part of it too, so we'll check that out. But before I get going, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We do this every morning, every after market, and on the weekends. We have now added a separate Bitcoin video as well because the demand is high. So let's get down to it. Let's crunch some of these up and we'll move quick here. So we are on wave 5 of the monthly chart. Still a bullish monthly candle here. We broke back out of that range of the last candle, looking good on the MACD. Let's go down to the weekly. On the weekly chart, also a wave 5, and we talk about Elliott waves, the candle, the moving averages, the MACD, RSI, just so we can have layers and layers of ideas, kind of create ourselves a storyline to see what's happening in the market, what the psychology is. And here, look at this candle. Great doji candle off the 8 MA for the weekly. MACD still holding bullish. Let's go over trend is my friend. On the daily, we had our impulsive wave 1 down to 2. Looks like that wave 2 is over. Are we out of the clear? Not necessarily. We're still under the 8 MA. We're crunched in between the 20 and we're back in the channel here. So looking good there. But the momentum is down. So we really have to start oscillating on the lower time frames to get ourselves, work ourselves up. We have to get that yellow line up. The histogram has to start turning to a faded red and start turning green. So that's going to take a little bit of time. This RSI, we're having a nice bounce off the 50 area. So let's get down to the 65 just so we can see what I was talking about with the oscillation. Okay, we had our larger dip, our A, B, C correction. Possibly over. I think it is. We broke through the expected move and just launched right back into it. That's not unusual. And now, as of last night, we were talking about this happening. I put this circle here to the right. It was actually over here a little bit, but it looks like we're getting our inverse head and shoulders. Now that has to hold up. This is the neckline right here, which is our big area, 38.88. We have to get over 38.88 in order to validate this setup here, but this is a setup. We might have to oscillate through a little bit, maybe like an ascending triangle. But once we break through there, then we have this downtrend line. That's our major downtrend line. In the beginning, we may get rejected from that area. This is what it appears to be a wave 1. So if we get rejected off that, what do we have to do? We have to hold the lows. So if we get up to the rejected area, maybe we have a retracement. We'll have to see what happens, and I can move the retracement around. But let's say we hit that area around here somewhere. We may retrace all the way back to 38.43. It's still valid. If we come all the way back to this 38.04 area, 05 area, it's still a valid wave 2. And then we can move up. That would be a double bottom, in other words. But the moment that we cross underneath here by 1 penny, that's invalidated. Okay? It doesn't mean we have to go lower, but it means we'll have to oscillate even more to get to the upside. Got a lot more to do. So we'll have to watch this day by day. We're watching this key area 38.88, and then we'll watch this 38.59.75 area. That's a big deal. See what's happening here, and then our downtrend line. So let's jump into the trade ideas. First, we'll go over to gold. We're constantly looking at gold. Hopefully it'll work its way out of this wedge. It's been flagging. This could be a wave 1 and then down to a wave 2 before it breaks out. But if it does decide to break out now, then maybe we come back and test and move higher. Looking good on gold. Counter. Now here's what I'm talking about. Everything made that reversal, right? So we have a great reversal candle here. So that would consider a wave 1. But all of them are going to have to come back and retest something. And they call it retesting the reversal candle, but it doesn't mean it has to go down that low. 61.8 is usually a retracement. So we'll get a 1 retest down. In general, Tesla. We're watching Tesla. Same. Came back to the expected move. Might move down again just a little bit more. Lazr. It depends what the market does, you guys. A lot of these stocks just have influence on what the overall market does. So, 1, back down. Lazr, we're watching. We're in a lot of these names. Mara, that's going to track Bitcoin, right? But Bitcoin is almost tracking the market as well. Looks the same. Come back down, retest for higher. BTC. Bitcoin. I will make a separate video on Bitcoin because I know that some people just follow that only. A lot of new traders. It's kind of the hype, but 1 maybe has come back in order to go higher. And last one that I'll show for today. They all look the same. Baba. Wonderful reversal. Coming back. Maybe it goes higher to, the wave 1 might not be over in all these, but have to come back to retest for a wave 2 before moving higher. So that's all for today, you guys. Good luck trading. Put any trade ideas down in the comment area. Hit the like button if you want to help spread the word and spread the wealth. And let's do this. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.